The dining room. It's often seen as just a place to eat, a table, some chairs, maybe a sideboard. But it's so much more than that. It's where we gather with loved ones. It's where stories are shared and memories are made. Shouldn't this space reflect the heart of your home? Let's transform your dining room from simple to stunning. Let's infuse it with your personality and make it a true reflection of you. We're going to do this with one powerful design element, an art wall. It might seem like a small change, but trust me, the impact will be huge. Ready to create a space that truly wows? Let's get started. Imagine your dining room as it is now. Are the walls bare? Do they whisper of missed opportunities? Or maybe there's a single piece of art that feels a little lost and lonely. This is your blank canvas. It's time to fill it with art that speaks to your soul. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. This is about creating a space that you absolutely love. Choosing art for your dining room is a deeply personal journey. What moves you? What makes you smile? Start by thinking about your favorite colors, subjects, and art styles. Do you gravitate towards bold, abstract pieces? Or are you drawn to calming landscapes and serene portraits? There are no right or wrong answers here. The key is to choose pieces that resonate with you and complement your existing decor. Section 4. The art of arrangement. Before you start hammering nails into the wall, let's talk about layout. The way you arrange your art can make or break the entire look of your art wall. Consider the size and shape of your wall. Do you want a symmetrical and balanced look? Or do you prefer a more eclectic and free-flowing arrangement? Experiment with different layouts on the floor before you commit to a design. Section 5. Bringing your vision to life. Now for the fun part, hanging your art. Before you begin, gather your supplies, a measuring tape, a level, a pencil, and picture hooks. Accurate measurements are key to a polished and professional look. Start by finding the center point of your wall and mark it lightly with a pencil. Use this mark as a reference point for hanging your first piece of art. Once the first piece is up, use your level and measuring tape to ensure the rest of your artwork is evenly spaced and aligned. Section 6. A dining room transformed. Step back and admire your handiwork. The once bare walls are now alive with personality and style. Your dining room is no longer just a place to eat. It's a gallery of your passions and a reflection of your unique taste. The art wall has created a warm and inviting atmosphere, a space where conversations flow as effortlessly as the wine. Your dining room is ready to welcome guests and become the heart of your home. Section 7. Now it's your turn. What art styles speak to your soul? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And for more design inspiration, be sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's create spaces that inspire and bring joy. Happy decorating!